Got another HAIM lesson for you from the new album Women in Music Part 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Don't Wanna. So as always, if this video helps you learn the song, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have more songs from this album coming up. Enjoy. This entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an E flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. And you're also going to bar the D, G, and B string on the 8th fret with your ring finger. Next is a C minor bar chord. So you're going to bar the 8th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the D string. And then last is an A flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your index finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. So the other part that you need to know is the lick. So for this, we're starting on the 8th fret of the A string, and we're gonna hammer on the 10th fret with our ring finger. Then you're gonna bar the D and G string on the 8th fret and do a hammer-on pull-off on the D string with your ring finger. Then you're gonna go back to the A string on the 10th fret. Then you're gonna strum the D and G again. Then back to the A string. Then another hammer-on from the 8th to the 10th fret on the A string. Another hammer-on and pull-off in the same spot. Then to the 11th fret of the low E string. 8th fret A string. Back to the 11th fret low E. So all put together, it sounds like this. Now you notice that on the second go around, I do something slightly different. I'm just going up to the 10th fret of the A string instead of going to the 11th fret of the low E string.